Legends, welcome to my channel. So guys, on this video you're gonna watch all the incredible performance of a Nigerian Afrobeat superstar Wizkid. Yeah, the big Wizzy, the star boy, the star king, the energetic and the dreading performance of a Wizkid last night at a AIASOUND Festival in Denmark. Come on guys, this is one of the show that we have long been expecting. Yes, fans have been patiently waiting for this particular show. In fact, Wizkid also took his time to deliver it 100%. He gave it to fans as it has been long been expected. Fans are waiting patiently for this particular show, and it was indeed super wonderful. You know, it has been long with Starboy actually had a mega show like this. Yeah, it's up to 5 months now. I've not seen him on stage for a mega show like this, so he took his time to give it to fans as we have been hungry and patiently waiting for this show. So what the clip here? Let me play the whole clip here for you guys. What you be performing all the songs at AIASOUND Festival in Copenhagen, yes, Denmark. That's where the show took place. Yes, just a few minutes ago the show just ended. You're gonna watch the whole clip right here. He took his time to perform all those songs, all those his evergreen songs. You started from Joro. He performed them. Fans were going crazy. Fans were going mad, and he also give them the full energetic. Watch it here when he was performing Stay Far Away. All of them, that one is sang with the terms. All of them, you perform them accordingly, one after the other. You know, Wizkid now, his dancing style is always interesting. He likes to be flying on air. That's his normal dancing style, and he was giving it to fans last back to back. But let me play the clip here. Yes, I promise you guys that I won't be talking too much on my clips these days. Just watch the clip here. This star boy, the star king, doing wonderful right there at a, you call it starboy party. Yes, in Denmark, because this is a full party. Fans were in form of celebrating as if it's a party. In fact, some of his African fans even cook food for him to come and eat. You look at it, you're gonna watch it here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment in the comment section. I'm out to share. Peace.
They need this chicken, jollof fries, spaghetti, plantain, coleslaw, suya on the stick, chicken on the stick. This is how you serve the king. When Copenhagen, there's food here, sir. It's not just food; it's a meal. It's an entree. I like to see. Which car we going to now? Oracle, Sultan, Bazooka, Sultan.
Yeah, now say I'm going to say
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. You know the stage over there, my guy. Oh, what do you need, baby? I need real energy on stage. Who's ready to jump on stage with Wizkid right now? I'm talking about real energy. Don't soft. Yeah, we are. Yeah, fucking get out, baby. We know the problem. I see that night Jackson shit, baby.
Oh shit, this is a Wizkid party.
Yeah, let her come. Leave her there. Come on, let's go. That's it. You guys ready with me now? Let's go. If you know you ready, let's go. Take there again. Let's go. This is starboy. Two. Get ready to go. 1, 2. Let's go. Body out. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night.
See the energy. If you're ready for some more Wizkid, make some noise.
Every time, every day, they gon' need my baby to call on me. Close to me. My time, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Say, just right.
Are you ready to jump right now? Everybody, hands up. Give me 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Every time, every day, they gon' need my baby to call on me. Close to me. Let's go. Say, just right. My time, baby.
Are you ready to jump right now? Everybody,
Yeah.
hands up. Give me 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Are you ready to jump? 1, 2, 3, everybody jump. Hands up.
talk to me nice. Say now my love.
I believe you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section and also subscribe to this channel.